Hi, my name is Barbara Phillip. I'm excited to be offering a new course this fall. It's called Organizing What You Know, a practical guide to personal knowledge management. This will be my first time teaching with Encore Learning, but I bring with me 7 years of experience teaching graduate students at George Mason University and over 2 decades working in the field of knowledge management. This course is designed for people who want to make better use of what they already know, whether that means organizing files, notes, capturing ideas before they disappear, or passing on life experiences in meaningful ways. So through a series of 6 sessions, we will explore practical ways to reduce information overload. We will discuss how to create systems that reflect how you think and how to use simple tools, whether digital or analog, to support learning, memory, and even creativity. Each session will include a mix of short presentations, small group discussions, and we will always have time to ask questions and try things out, especially around the technology. There's no required readings, but I tend to share a large and varied set of optional resources for those who want to dig a little deeper between the sessions. So we'll also explore a range of technologies in support of personal knowledge management, but don't worry, you don't need to be tech savvy to participate. You just need a dose of curiosity and readiness to explore some new ideas. That would be great. And finally, some of the questions that we'll explore together include things like, how can I better manage the information that I come across every day? What kind of tools can help me store and connect my thoughts and insights? And how can I turn life experiences into something I can share with others? So if you're looking for a course that goes beyond technology tips and invites you to reflect, to experiment, and to connect, I hope that you will join us this fall.